Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to return your Xfinity equipment using just your phone. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Xfinity app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in the app, look at the bottom menu and tap on Account. This is where Xfinity gives all your billing info and equipment details. Scroll down and tap Manage Equipment or Devices. Here you will see all the equipment you have from Xfinity like your modem, router, TV box, and Flexbox. Tap on the device you want to return, scroll down to the bottom and tap Return Equipment or Start Return. The app will show you all the ways you can return your equipment. You will usually have a few options: drop off at UPS store, drop off at an Xfinity store. Select whichever is easiest for you. The app will give you a QR code or return label. If it's a QR code, show it at UPS. If it's a label, print it using Air Printer from your phone. And that's all. You have to return your Xfinity equipment on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.